channel. Today we will be exploring some of the AI tool. So AI tool, as you know, that everyone is very much focused on the AI tools, and so that it can reduce the human effort. So today I've got one of the interesting tool which we can use on the data analysis journey. So it is not basically on the data analysis. We can perform many useful functions, prompts, if you are able to, like, if you are in the journey of data science or data analytics, right? So that's a that we would be covering in this video. So I got to know about this tool, Julius.ai. So what it does, that if you give any of the prompt, or if you can give any of the Excel file, right? So it will give you all the instructions, like what this file all about, how many records are there, right? So if you want to and like analyze the Excel in the Python, right? So we would be getting some of the prompt, like what describe function do, right? So I would explain you how how can we use this tool. So first of all, you need to click on this icon. You need to upload a file. So say about I need to upload a file known as customer new, right? So that is the data which I would be tracking. How many customers are there? What is what is the total count? So more than that, it can give you, right? So if you can see that these are the data which my it got prompt, right? So we have a customer ID, we have a name, we have an email ID, uh, then we have a state, then we have a city, and one second. Uh, Okay, so if I can give the questions upon, so these are the plots and these are the tables. If you can see that these are the questions which I can able to see if I need to find the insights, like how are the customer sign up date distributed by, or which cities have the most customer, or how many customers are there per state, or what are the sign up trend across different categories or different something like that, right? So now what I do that now, uh, okay, so I need to do, can you do some advanced analytics on the Excel sheet? So I just giving one prompt, just try to check that if this work. I just so now Julius is thinking. So yeah, so as you can see that whatever we are doing in a Python, right? So we do some of the analysis on the Python, like regarding the state, city, how many customers are there, or what are the sign up date, right? So everything it will give you the information. So you can see that we have got the customer acquisition trend, that how much signups are there according to the monthly wise, right? And then these are the signups data, right? So you can see that May is the highest month that we have received the number of sign up months, 238, right? And then Okay, so then we have a customer count in top five cities. So these are the what is a total count in across all cities. Then we have customer count by state. Then we have a basic information of customer in analytics, right? So these are the basically. So I have fed the data of the customer data only. So it will give the information of the customer analytics only, right? So if I want to give some of the advanced, right? So if I can say that, can you perform some more advanced analytics for this data? So let's try to do that. Can this, apart from that, can Julius perform some more data according to the data which I provided? Let's see what the Julius AI can do. So, have you heard about cohort in, analysis? So that is a most important attribute when we are focusing on the customer data. We have a segmentation, we have a cohort analysis. So segmentation, you are grouping the customer on the basis of the age. For example, so if I say that if you are working in a big company, they want to check the trend that how many what is the age of the group that is buying the most goods, right? So 18 to 24, then 24 to 30, 34 to 60, right? So if they want to roll out any vouchers, right? So they would be checking that trend that how many customers are buying their product on which category of age, right? So that is a segmentation. Cohort analysis is it is a something like a funnel. So so funnel is having a so funnel is when you are in the upper, it would give a many customer. As the funnel will deeper down, the number of customer will be limited down, right? So that is a funnel. So let's check the trend now, what it gave. Now I have, they have given the email domain distribution that how many domain distributions are there. So we have number of Gmail is 1285, and this is the graph. This is a very good looking pie chart they have drawn. Then we have a customer retention by cohort. So this heat map show retention rate for customer cohort over time. Each row represent a sign up month, and each column shows the percentage of customers still active. So you can see that with this, we can see that the customer rate is 100%. Like no customer is like is still active, right? And then this is the visualization show density of customer across different city and state combination. So as you stated, this Gujarat is having the uh, correlation of city and state, right? Then we have a monthly sign up trend by year. This is the graph. Then we have a customer recency analysis. Recency, recent, moderate, old, very old. So recency means how many customer have recently show their interest. So they have signed up, they have like what is a recent time they have shown the interest on the customer app, right? So that is a recency. Then we have first name distribution analysis of most common first name, like what are the first most common names. This is a pin code distribution of customer pin code indicating geographic. So 11 is the most two-digit pin code which we have got from the customer, right? So then there is a key insight which they have shown. So you can explore this tool. It is very helpful whenever you want to do some of the data analysis. So I have just given only a one sheet. You can give two or three, but yeah, you need to buy the subscription for that, because I guess you can attach only one sheet at a time. If you need to attach two or three sheets, you need to maybe pay for some amount, which you can just explore that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I would explore and give you more insight about different AI tools, and so that it can better reach to the other person as well. If you like my video, you can like visit to my channel, you can like, and you can subscribe to my channel, and I would be creating more wonderful videos in the future. And yeah, you can share with your friends as well who want to who are a part of analytics journey, and this tool would be definitely help them. Thank you, have a great day, bye.